I told that boy not to bring those girls around here. Look at the dang mess he stirred up.
You highway hillbilly son of a bitch! I'm fixing to stick this broom handle up that rear of yours if you don't listen to me.
I can't hear nothing.
There you are!
I can't think straight with all this craziness going on. I know you around here somewhere.
Stay away.
We ain't letting you off. It's too foggy. Everybody shut the heck up. I can't hear nothing with all this dang racket. Listen, you're gonna give out soon anyway, so stop fooling. This is your own fault. You should have better known better than to come around here. Now quit hiding. Hold still, dang it. Oh. Go on out now. Come on. Got you now. They're over here. I'm fixing this so you They couldn't have gone much further. Wait, you're horrid.
I know you have my baby!
Can't focus. Need to clear my head. I got you now. I'm fixing to find you all, that's for sure. I know what's See what happens when you don't
Listen!
I know you around here somewhere. Found ya!
Hey, what's coming to me?
This is kind of like... See what you made me go through?
Shut you up, huh?
Fight over here. All you need's a little blood.
We didn't have much choice. We couldn't let Johnny spring no love child around here. This ain't personal. Now get back here. Now you listen. I ain't much interested in chasing you around much longer. So stop your running. What the darn hell is going on? How'd they get loose? Better go wake Grandpa up. Can't focus. Need to clear my head. Gotcha! You can't hide from me! I'm not a violent man. This is kind of like... Couldn't have gone much further. I can't hear nothing. What's coming? Damn kids. Where'd they go?
I have to make it. This'll shut you up a bit.
Take this now. It'll perk you right up. I know you around here somewhere.
You see what you...
Everybody shut the heck up. I can't hear nothing with all this dang racket. Found ya! I hear him! Over there!
It's stuck. Won't open.
I can't think straight with all this craziness going on. I got you now. Damn it. Listen, you're gonna give out soon anyway, so stop fooling.
Please, I have to find help. I have to save my boy. Hey, there.
Damn kids. Where'd they go? It's too foggy. Now, where are you?
Let go of your fear. It's holding you back.
I'm fixing to find you all, that's for sure. If you just listen, I wouldn't have to do this. They couldn't have gone much further. All right now, if you don't stop with a runaround, I'm gonna feed your giblets to Grandpa.
Little children, come on home.
I ain't never trusted that trash you scurry around with. Why can't you just stay with the family? Lord mercy! I'm getting fed up as all get out! Fresh as it gets. Why am I always the one cleaning up these messes? I tell you what, goddamn kids. Everybody shut the heck up. I can't hear nothing with all this dang racket. I got you now. I hear him. Over there. I know you around here somewhere. There you are! Fresh as it gets. Drink up now. Damn kids. Where'd they go? Now, where are you? Found ya! I'm not a violent man. This is some... I'm fixing to find you all, that's for sure. You were close to
Let them see.
That's what you get. Couldn't have gone much further. Now let's go and have a look and see where this leads to. Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
You left a trail. Aw, I love you, Grandpa.
Hey, what's coming to you now? Stop it!